age of these individuals. Suppose there are 18, 20, 22 and 24 years respectively. Okay, now we will generate the sampling distribution. So here again summary measures of the population distributions are there. Here mean mu has been calculated, which is 21, and sigma is also calculated, which is 2.236. Here it is a uniform distribution. You can see that probability of all these 4 persons is same 0.4, 0.25. Okay, now let us generate all possible pair of 2 persons. Here ages are given, so there will be total 16 observations, or you can say 16 pair of 2 persons: 18 18, 18 20, 18 22, 18 24. Similarly up to 24 18, 24 20, 24 22 and 24 24. Now in this case, now corresponding means are given for all the 16 observations. Means here 18 plus 18 divided by 2, 18 plus 20 divided by 2, 18 plus 22 divided by 2, 18 plus 24 divided by 2. Likewise, here all these 16 observations are there. For sample size is here 2, means here we have paired only 2 observations for simplicity for our case. Now developing a sampling distribution using these 16 observations. Here probability of getting 18 among these 16 observations is 1 upon 16. Similarly 424 is there, 1 upon 16. So here 18 and 24, it is 1 upon 16 is quite here. Similarly for observation 19 and 23 are repeating 2 times among these 16 observations, so the probability will be 2 divided by 16. So it is again given here in the column chart. Again for observation 20 and 22, you can see they are repeating 3 times in 16 observations, so their respective probability will be 3 upon 16 for each, and remaining is 21. So observation 21 is repeating 4 times among these 16 observations, so probability will be 4 upon 16, which is nothing but 1 upon 4, and again 0.25. Is that? So here you can see again the curve is like a bell shape, which is for normal distribution. So whatever your population, but whenever you are finding out the sampling distribution, again it will be always following the normal distribution, right? Now here developing the sampling distribution. Again we have found the sampling distribution, all 16 observations mean it is again 21, and variance again 1.58. Now compare, let us compare. Population n is equal to 4, here sample size n is equal to 2, mean is remain unchanged, mu of x is 21, where mu of x bar is also 21. We have calculated, right? Here. Okay. Now sigma is 2.236 for population, but here sigma is decreasing. Variability is decreasing. Sigma of x bar is 1.58, you can see here. Now let us discuss normally distributed phenomena. Here the many type of data conform to the normal distribution. Here examples are there. If you are gathering the data for intelligence or IQ scores, it will again be follow normal distribution. Similarly data of height, weight of human beings or any animal, it is also following the normal distribution. Here weight and length of the fish caught in a large lake or in a sea again will be following normal distribution. Annual incomes of household, SET or GRE scores, grades in exams or in large classes, climate and many physiological data incomes will follow normal distribution. Now financial indicators and economic data will not follow normal distribution. Usually the price changes, interest rates, stock values, commodity prices and exchange rates are not following normal distribution. Similarly, lifetime of humans, lifetime of mechanical or electric devices, waiting times in queuing and safety data, for example car crash data, will not follow normal distribution. Now let us have some activities. Skip this portion because we have already discussed in the previous session with our respected Professor Ashok Shah sir. So we skip this example because you know already that. Now activities. Friends, just try to utilize your knowledge, whatever you have studied, try to work with real data. For that, here there are two activities. Look at the 10 centimeter on a ruler and then take a ball of string. And every student cuts a piece of string of 10 centimeter from the ball of string by guessing without using a scale, right? And measuring the length of all the pieces in mm. Now let us see what you can do. Using this activity, you can also describe the distribution of data, whether it is following normal distribution or whether it is right skewed, whether it is left skewed, all you can discuss. And here can we manipulate the data that these factors can be removed, means there will be some factor. If your data is not following normal distribution, there will be some factor. So try to identify that factor and try to remove it and discuss how you can remove and describe the distribution again after manipulated data. And another is, now give some number of matchboxes to all the students in the classes and ask him to count these matchbox sticks for each matchbox. So it will again be following normal distribution with mean and sigma, whatever may be different. Okay, thank you friends. Now if you have any query, your queries are most welcome at any time. Thank you.